Oh, that's filthy. Hey, welcome back, boys and girls. I've been asked repeatedly in comments and things like that. People ask me, what is behind that door underneath the driver's window? And I'm going to show you. This is a 2002, and this is where most of the electronics are. These are called solenoids. This yellow thing here controls the big reds and big yellows in the stop arm. There's a bunch of relays and breakers here. Control everything from the wipers to the headlights and the interior lights and all that stuff. As you can see, it's a rat's nest of wires, and this is, you know, after what, 15 years of repairs and things like that. There's a air control for the stop arm for the pressure. That silver box down there is a GPS. That's what I was talking about. It's the thing they mounted up in the ceiling of my bus. But see, it's down in here on this one. You can see it's just the nerve center, or the power comes in from the batteries, and it's all these are fuses. And then we're going to walk over here and look at mine. It's quite a bit different. See that? A lot more tidy. And this bus has a simplified electrical system called a CAN bus system, where one wire does the work of more than one. So instead of having like 5 wires, you can have one wire that carries a signal, and it'll tell a module, hey, make the blinker blink, and the blinker will blink on the left side, say, and then right blinker, and so on and so forth. But you can see this is so much more simple. There's more fuses here and relays for like the wipers and things like that. But see how much more simple it is, and how fewer wires. See, the bundles are half the size. This is the No Student Left Behind module here, and this is where you hear the chimes and the reminder chimes. It's so much more compact. There's the air cylinders for I think the cross gate and the stop arm. But look how much more compact it is. But in the same thing. Oh, here's the regen button. So if you need to do a stationary regen for the carbon filter, this is how you activate that. But see, there's no room in here for the GPS. It's jam-packed. Quite a bit of difference in 15 years, isn't it?